So guys, welcome to YouTube dance channel, guys. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. Ooh. And I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. So today we're doing the dance tutorial. It's very easy. Very, very easy. And it has been long since it's just my fault that I won't come up here to do this dance tutorial for you guys. It's not my fault, just strength and one, but now I just have to do this for you guys. So those of you that have not done it, you can still watch this video. And those of you that have done it, you can still watch this video and check out my own move. So basically guys, in case you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share your friends and family guys, and let us literally dive right into the video. So the first step in this, so the song we're doing today is Dominic fike, something like that, white keys. So let's go. The first step in this song is do what is moving on when never meant to stay, cause I was at a something like that. So something like do what is moving on when never meant to stay. Actually, bend your back like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. So do what is moving on when never meant to stay. I see it. Something like that, guys. So let's go from the start now. Let's go. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, never meant to stay. Are you getting it? Okay, you are following me, guys. If you are not doing it in this side, you can do it in this other side too. The world is moving, never meant to stay. All you have to do is to bring one hand up, the other hand down, the other hand up, down, up, down. You get me, guys? You get me? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, never meant to stay. I mean, for the other side. The world is moving, never meant to stay. If you like to throw your leg, you can throw your leg like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. As if you are doing mash pass. So we are swinging our legs and hands forward. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, never meant to stay. Now the next step is 1, 2. Cover your nose to your mouth there. 1, 2. 1, 2. So you have to make sure you can get the concept. 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, never meant to stay. Don't mind me, guys. The lyrics is just too. It's confusing for me a little bit. Please, I'm not subscribed to this channel. Kindly subscribe down below. Like this video, share your friends, guys. Comment what you think in the comment section. Is the dance too easy? Have you done the dance? Let me know in the comment section. In case you have done it and you learned to through this channel, kindly tag your video #Teoluckzboom, #Teoluckzboom on your video so I can know you do the video and I will repost the video for you. Or we will share it. I can also duet your video for you guys, basically. So thank you all for making me to reach 5,000 subscribers on this channel. Gratitude to you guys. Now let's go back to the video one more time. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, never meant to stay. I guess it. You're basically getting this right now, guys. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check them. That's basically the dance, guys. That is basically the dance. Let's do one more time for you to follow. For you guys to follow. Let's go. I've done the last step too. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, never meant to stay. Then go like this. After I've done the 2 steps, the next one is to do like this. So that you want to eat. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Let me see this. Let's go. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Let's go. Up, front, back, front, back. Bring it to me. I see, guys. That's basically it. So let's go one more time on the start to do everything to get there. If you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below for me. Like this video and share to your friends. Guys, share to your friends and family so they can subscribe to my channel too, and we'll grow together, guys. Now Let's do this one more time. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, moving, never meant to stay. Yeah. So basically, guys, that's the dance. So let's do it one more time in slow mo for you guys. Let's do it in slow mo for you guys to catch it up. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. The world is moving, we were never meant to stay. Cause I was a queen of I never think I never meant to ever. I wasn't know we always saw me and then oh no, basically, guys, so that's the dance track for this trending song by Dominic. Let's make it a Dominic, guys. We can't just talk more. So in case you do this dance track, can you put in your videos hashtag Teoluckzboom? Yeah, don't forget to put hashtag Teoluckzboom in your video so I can reshare your video and tag your video for you, basically. And don't forget to watch the 2 videos over here. Comment in the comment section what you want me to do for you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share to your friends, guys. Comment in the comment section what you want me to dance to try, you want to learn. And don't forget to watch the 2 videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.